By coming to Mountain Island Educational State Forest, students gain the experience of being able to go into the forest itself, into the woods. That hands-on experience that may be missing within a classroom setting. We provide several programs to schools and educational groups. Those include environmental education programs, which may be our soil and water investigations. It could be our habitat investigations. It also includes tree identification and predator and prey investigations. We have many amenities here at Mountain Island Educational State Forest for our educational groups that come to visit us. These include our Education Center, which has many exhibits within it about forestry. In addition, it has our bathrooms, and it also has an indoor classroom in the event of inclement weather. We have our trail system that allows groups to move around and see the forest itself. Nested within the trail system, we have our 3 outdoor education classrooms where most of our programs take place, especially our investigations. My favorite aspect of Mountain Island ESF is the trails. I try to make sure I get out on them at least once a day, if not more if I can manage.
We have 4 trails here at Mountain Island ESF. We have our Talking Tree Trail, which has our Talking Tree speakers on it, where you can hear the trees talk about their life and experience. We have our Harvest Hill Trail that goes through a previously harvested pine stand, so you can kind of see what that looks like. We have our Demonstration Trail, which shows off our forest firefighting equipment and connects to our picnic shelter. And then we have our Loblolly Loop Trail, which goes through a few different prescribed burning units and a transitional forest.
When it comes to accessing Mountain Island Educational State Forest, we have ample parking, including a separate bus lot near our standard parking, making it easier for school groups to get in and out with their larger vehicles. To schedule a field trip or ranger-led program at Mountain Island Educational State Forest, just give the office a phone call or email us to set that up. Once that's done, prepare your students that you're bringing with you by making sure that everyone is ready for an outdoor experience, whether that's closed-toed shoes or having appropriate clothing for the weather. What excites me most about the forest opening to the public is that opportunity to serve the public and bring this education forward to them, to give opportunities that may not have been available to school groups, to children, and to the public in general.